going on, everybody? It's Chris Comer, Real Fishing. Back at it again. Got the wifey here. Hey, baby girl. We're here at Marble Falls, Texas. Fishing, trying to get some fish. Just enjoying some time here at Labor Day weekend. So we only got a couple hours to hang out. We're gonna hang out, fish as much as we can, catch what we can, and then go home happy. Okay, we're using chicken liver again today. Seems to be the bait. We do got some shad this time. We got some shad. We're going for some carp. But again, guys, stay tuned. Appreciate you guys taking time to watch the video. Y'all stay tuned. Say bye, baby. Reel it from the bottom. Reel it. Don't pick it up. Reel it first. Reel it. Reel it until you feel something. You feel it? Pick it up and hold it up like tight and just slow. Oh no. You got one? Oh, baby girl. Bring it all the way up. Bring it. Oh, it's a little one.
He like literally stuck himself.
Yeah. All right. What you got, mama? You get it? Hold it up and then see if it bounces. Like slowly pull it up. Oh yeah, you got a fish. Good job, baby. Wonder what it is. Catfish? Drum? What do you got, my love? Ooh, it's a good one. I hope it's a good one. Feisty is right. Ooh, another catfish. Cool. Bring it up, my love. Ooh, roll it up some more. He ain't going nowhere. He's hooked. All right, stop. Now pick it up like that. Yeah, there you go. What you got, baby girl?
I got a catfish.
Another one? With two worms. Good job, baby. And you were holding it too, huh? You felt it? All right. Chicken liver 1. Night crawlers 1. All right, you guys. We catching fish. The wife catching all the fish today. So, hey, y'all stay tuned. We keep catching them. All right, love. What you got, mama? Fish? Fish on? Are you sure? Ooh, that was a good one. Hopefully it's a good one. It's a good one. He's fighting? Oh yeah, that's good. Hopefully it don't come off. All right. Oh, not bad. Yeah, it's the biggest one today. Nice one. What do you got to say, baby girl? Right here.
Back at it again.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, girl. Good job, baby girl. All right, we'll keep going, right? One more time before it's time to leave.